So I think you people are aware of what is difference between microcontroller and microprocessor. So I will give you the glance like frequent points of difference between MCU and MPU, right? So there will be MCU. We have everything on one chip only, memory, input and output, and the processor unit, everything. That will be the microcontroller. When it's come to microprocessor, right? Only CPU we have, remaining thing memory and other chips inputs outputs should be taken from the output other side. That is the major difference, right? When it comes to the difference, right, that we have the ARM controller and Arduino and STM32 we have. And when it's come to processor, we have Raspberry Pi and Intel Core. These are the major differences. Okay, so till this point anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah, I was just giving overview. I think I feel everyone is an experienced person. So I feel if anyone is from not from embedded background, so that I have given the glance. Okay.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah. So after starting that one, if they don't aware of any basics, right? Again, it will be trouble for everyone.